Hey, CA Grade, this is the Dream Pottery News, and we are your hosts, Janaya Sutton
and Cambry Cerna.
This week, we will be talking about One Night, One World, Kona Ice, and a few local events. But for your first bit of news,
autocorrect has become my worst nighttime.
Nighttime?
I meant nightmare.
Anyways, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Grade's mission. CA Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of supports to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now, on to this week's news.
One Night, One World is tomorrow at 6 o'clock p.m. There will be a cultural awareness presentation, a fashion show, food samples, and each CTAE teacher will have a booth showcasing their class and student work.
Kona Ice will be here this Wednesday. The Classic is $3, the King is $4, Kawabonga is $5, and the Color Changing is $6. Don't forget your money.
This week's featured rule is food and drinks in the classroom. Check out this skit.
Just remember, we're not supposed to eat and drink in class, and especially not around technology like our Chromebooks.
The Moultrie Police Department is hosting a truck or treat at 6 o'clock p.m. downtown tonight. Dress up in your costumes and stop by the square for your treats.
Daylight saving time ends November the 6th. Don't forget to set your clock back in hours that is Sunday, so you're not late for school on Monday the 7th.
Calico Arts and Crafts Show is coming up on November 12th, so mark your calendars. Now let's meet the Dream Factory News staff.
My name is Miss Kelly. I'm the audio, video, tech, and film teacher here at CA Grade. My hobbies are DIYing in my free time.
Hi, I'm Zach Renown. I'm one of the two main anchors for the Dream Factory News team, and one of my favorite hobbies is playing video games.
Hi, my name is Cambry Cerna. I am one of the main anchors, and in my free time, I like to spend time with my cat, Cheeseball.
Hi, I am Dirk. You don't need to know my last name. I am the one who operates the cameras, including this one, and I like to game.
Hi, I'm Gabriel Torres Hernandez. I hold the scripts for Zach and Cambry to read during the recording. I like to sleep.
My name is Ladarius McKinney. I'm in charge of the skits, and my hobby is to do whatever.
My name is Macau. I make skits.
Hi, I'm Mahela May. I am the field recorder, and in my free time, I enjoy crocheting.
My name is Henry Garcia, and I feature school rules for the newscast, and my favorite hobby is to sleep.
I am Janaya, and my hobby in the classroom is to record skits, and a hobby of mine is playing sports.
My name is Ardrona Thomas, and for the news things we do skits and stuff like that, and my hobby is, go out.
My name is Mira. I help with the skits, and one of my favorite hobbies is hanging out with my friends.
My name is Aaron Brown. I'm the editor for the newscast, and my favorite hobby is I like to watch anime.
Be careful on Halloween. Check your candy and anything else and have a good time.
This week's club rotation is FCA, FBLA, 4-H, Skills USA, LOT, Science, Math, Leo, and Photography Club.
Don't forget about One Night, One World tonight, and Kona Ice on Wednesday.
We'll see you next week, CA Graham. This is Dream Factory News, signing off.